So that's why, yeah, it's okay. Yeah. Ayan, paketong-ketong tinan mo, oh, di ba? Andito ako ngayon. Alam mo, it's good to come here on the, during the weekdays. Kasi, it's not so busy. Ayan, pakiso, tinan mo. Ilulublob ko yung paa ko dito, di ba? Oh, which is my paa is so makinis. Tinan mo, mga kapitbahay, yung paa ko, makinis naman. Yeah, it's good. Ayan, mga kapitbahay. Ayan. Ayan. Thank you. I just wanna do this one, number 2, deluxe. Let me, just only this.
Number 2.
Yeah, this one, only $40.
And with the shell.
No, I don't want a gel.
No
No,
shell? Okay.
just only regular. Oh, this is 2 full.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Gusto mo tubig?
Kuya, just, hati, kuya. Hati.
Okay.
Thank you, kuya. Ayan. Tapos meron pa ditong free drinks, mga kapitbahay. Tapos meron pa ako ditong eto.
Mainit. Mainit green tea.
Mainit, kuya. Ayan. Tapos meron ditong, binubuksan niya pa sa akin yung yung tawag dito. Massage chair. Eto, habang nagaganito ako, massage chair, Mr. Pakais. Walang isda dyan sa paa mo. Wala, ha? Never experienced that. Only my ex-girlfriend. Oh, only your ex-girlfriend. Yung asawa ko, sinasama ko siya rito, ayaw niya. Sabi niya, no. I don't wanna do it. Sabi niya. Diba? Ayan, Lucy Warren, mag-shout out. Walang isda dyan. Walang isda. Sana meron. Mr. Pakais, itong upuan, ito, massage to, tinan mo, minamassage pa yung likod ko. Diba? I like the red one. I like the same color. I like the red. Ayan. I like this one.
What number?
I like 689.
689.
Yeah.
What naman?
689.
689.
Thank you. Tapos yung mga, nila, cutics nila, may number. Ay, hindi ako nasama sa ex-girlfriend kapag ganyan. Naantok kasi ako eh. Sabi ko kay ex-girlfriend, kahit ako na magsalita. Ha?
Wala 689.
Wala 689?
Dito. 689.
What is that?
689.
A gel?
No, regular and gel.
I got it. I just kidding with you.
Okay.
They have regular and gel.
Okay. Thank you. Just only regular. And together, family mag-shout out. Ayan, together, what is your motto for today? My motto, eat breakfast so you don't get hungry the whole day. I forgot to eat breakfast today. Now I'm so hungry. Yeah. Thank you so much. Really appreciate it. Yeah. Don't skip breakfast so you won't hungry all day. So you don't eat so fast and don't eat the fast food. I don't want to eat the fast food kasi nga I stop siguro I never say stop because sometimes you have sometimes you need it, especially here in the USA. There doesn't have much healthy food around the puro fast food, mga kapitbahay. So that's my motto for today. Don't skip the breakfast before you leave. I just ate bread and drink some coffee this morning, but 12 o'clock, so it's lunchtime. So I'm gonna have a green tea right now. Ayan. They're serving pre-drinks here. So I just wait till I get some and eat. Probably I'm gonna make some eggs, and for dinner I'm gonna make some miswa with meatballs, and I'm gonna put some vegetable which is zucchini. Ayan. Vincent Pipito, hello kapitbahay. Breakfast the most important meal of the day. Oo, yun nga. Diba? Ito si kuya.
Supra
Thank you.
mainit.
Sobra mainit. Ayan, thank you kuya.